so gallant, so gay, so decked that we scarcely could know them, how booted and costly array. The grass was trod down in our meadows and never grew up into hay. The lovers grew meagre as shadows before a fair maid went away. Wooed and carried away, wooed and carried away, the pride and the boast of the parish is gone and married away. But if Harry had known her as I do, our youth has been trifled away, without netting or bacon or brewing or spinning